Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is plumbing, home and abroad. So this is underneath, and these are the connections to the mixer tap above. Slightly different, and then you can see the bottle trap there. And then over here you have the toilet, and there's a pull cord here. So there's a emergency pull cord there, changing map, and above you've got salida, so the exit. And then you've got the lights. It looks like a smoke detector there. More lights. So this is the ladies' toilet, and this is the changing room in the ladies' toilet. And then you have a small sink down there, which is nice for little ones to be able to reach. I like that little feature. And this is the plug socket for the cleaner, possibly. And this is the men's toilet. So, and it's even got a little tiny urinal there for the little ones to practice their aim. And then this is another disabled toilet here. So that's the lock on the disabled toilet and the changing area as well. It's also changing area for parents and children. So this is the wash basin, and this is underneath it. Interesting trap there made up. And then this is looking up at the mixer tap. Trying to have a look at what size that is of the isolation valve. Interesting trap made there. A nice big sink, or should I say a nice big wash basin, and an interesting tap there. Interesting mixer tap. Very pointy. Haven't seen one like this before. I love the size of the wash basin. And then here's the dryer. Does work. What make is it? Couldn't really make that out. Probably have to pause it. Somewhere to hang your coat over there. And here's somewhere to wash your hands. Waste bin. No emergency pull cord on this disabled toilet that I can see. Nice changing mat there. Okay, and you've got this, looks like a smoke detector there. And a sensor, it's automatic light. Perfume, automatic. Good size. Okay, and then I was cleaning filters. So let's have a look at this filter here. So I was putting this filter back in. After cleaning it, I'll show you in a moment the clean. I'll reverse in a moment. So it's a bit finicky getting them back in, but there's a groove. There's a groove for these to go back in. A little slight groove to slide them in and then clip them into place. I'm sure you know how to do this, but if you don't, keep watching. Here's the filter I was washing that you saw a while ago. So it was due for a clean. Here I am washing it. So you could hoover these, but from my experience, I did find that washing them in a wash basin or in a shower, well, the shower is always the best bet, but a wash basin, if it's a big wash basin, can help. I'm going to show you another method of where I washed it, and it worked out to be a little bit more messy. I'm going to wash this basin down so I don't leave any stains in afterwards. This was another unit with the same type of filter, same unit. Have a look at the difference, one washed on the left and one on the right not washed. This can make a big difference to the efficiency of the unit and can just basically bring up a lot less faults on the unit from it being clean. This is another system of shutting the blinds or the shutters in order to stop the sun from coming in. So another form of climate control. You can have it slightly open to let some air in. So it's a Mundo Clima unit. Let's look above. How can you see? This was before the unit was washed, so you could see that it needed a good wash down. Let me just show you again how to clip these out. So you lift up and then you lift up again. And then then they just slide down. So here's another method of cleaning them outside, but this was a little bit a more messy way. Better to use a shower with a bit of pressure or a wash basin if you don't want to mess up the pattern. Here's another unit, a Samsung unit. So having a look above. Yeah, this one was in good shape. Look at that lovely view. It's nice waking up to nice weather like that, and it's very good weather for editing your videos whilst watching the sunrise. All right, hope that you are well. I'll be trying to send you a bit more plumbing and AC and whatever differences of public bathrooms, or even difference of plumbing abroad in Spain compared to the UK. Please leave comments in the section below. Until next time, bye bye bye.